Hey everybody, it's Phineas. Welcome back to the Frugalfinneas channel. I tell you what, it's 47 degrees here in Missouri today. I freaking love this weather. This is why I moved here. Because in Florida, we didn't have fall weather. I know it's still not technically fall, but this is fall weather and I love it. It's going to get up to the 80s by the end of the day, but 47, I'll take it. I'm grateful for this fall weather. I'm grateful for this fall weather. That relates to what we're going to talk about today. Okay, everybody has 30 seconds at the end of the day to do what I'm going to talk about. Not everybody wants to work out for 45 minutes. Not everybody wants to meditate for 30 minutes. And nothing wrong with both those things. I think both of those things are good. I need to do more of both those things. But everybody has 30 seconds, right? So what we're going to do at the end of every day is we're going to practice gratitude. 7 days a week, every day, 20, 30 seconds at the end of every day. Do it in the shower. I do it when I'm on the couch. So I'll sit down on the couch at the end of the day, and I'll go through what I'm grateful for that day. It sounds hokey pokey. If you had told me this a couple of years ago, I would have rolled my eyes and probably ignored it. But it's actually powerful. I love the word gratitude. It's my new favorite word. It's powerful. My next dog, I'm going to name Gratitude. It's a good name. But even when you're struggling or having a bad day, you can always find something to be grateful for. And if you start saying it out loud at the end of each day, it gets in the forefront of your brain. It gets in your subconscious. And you start to feel it. Because this is true. This is not fake positivity. There's tons of stuff to be grateful for. Like I don't have a perfect life by any means. None of us do. A lot of us are struggling every day to pay the bills and whatever, get to work and juggle a family and everything. So none of us have a perfect life. So this is not going to be fake positivity, but there's always stuff to be grateful for. Always. And that's powerful. If at the end of every day you sit on the couch, do it in the shower and feel it. Don't just go through the motions. Feel it. Man, I'm grateful that my cat is doing good. I'm grateful that I have a fridge full of food. I'm grateful that I'm debt free. I'm grateful I have good health. Like there's so much stuff. It could be as cliche as a fridge full of food, or it could be specific. I'm grateful today I made $34. Hey, that's $34 I didn't have yesterday. If you say that every single day, it really does work. It does change the state of mind, and it does put you in a better mood because you're like, how can I be pissed off at the guy who cut me off in traffic when I just made a list of 8 things what I'm grateful for 4 hours ago? It really does work. And plus, just because somebody cuts you off in traffic doesn't necessarily make that guy an asshole. He could have just made a mistake. There's a very high probability he's an asshole. He probably is, but maybe not. We'll give him the benefit of the doubt because we're in a grateful state of mind, right? And then you start even negative things. You can put a little bit of spin on it. Again, we're not going to be fake and negative things are negative things. Life's going to punch us in the face. That's just going to happen. But I'll give you an example. Say we get a fender bender. That sucks for everybody. But then you can kind of say, well, I'm still grateful that nobody got hurt. I'm grateful that people we're insured. We have insurance. I'm grateful for everybody's okay. I'm grateful for I had the $500 to fix the fender. Like we can turn even the crappy days, you can pick something to be grateful for. And if we practice that, it'll start to become habit, and we'll start to believe it because it is true. I mean, there's no BS here. A fender bender is way better than somebody getting hurt in a car accident. So this is all true stuff. We just got to say it out loud for 30 seconds every day. You get home from work and your boss was just a jerk today. Well, you can spin that as that's his problem. I still get my paycheck Friday. I still get to go to work tomorrow. Maybe he'll be in a better mood. That's not my problem. Like you can spin anything and turn it into something to be grateful for. It sounds hokey pokey. It's actually not. It actually, when you do it every day, it does start to get in your subconscious, and it does actually change your state of mind. Because everybody's struggling now. Times are tough. Everything's expensive. We're getting punched every which way. But there's still stuff to be grateful for, and actually a lot of stuff. Like when you start listing stuff off every day, you start seeing, man, my life's not that bad, is it? Look at all the stuff. just in the last week, look all the stuff I said I was grateful for at the end of the day. It's pretty powerful stuff, and it really does work. And everybody has 30 seconds. So what do you guys think? Try it and let me know. Let me know how it went. I'm gonna keep doing it. It does help me a lot, and I hope this helps you guys. And we'll see you on the next video.